Hey everyone, welcome back to my pantry reset. Today I have a super quick tip about reheating grains. I think that there is nothing better than having cooked grains at your disposal. They make for a wonderful base or an addition to so many different recipes, and it's even better if you don't have to wait the normal cook time. Sure, you can zap them in the microwave, but I really prefer the stovetop to reheat grains. Cooked grains over time will dry out and the texture will change. And the method I use ensures the grains are wonderful even the next day you use them. To reheat the grains, put about 2 cups worth of cooked grains in a pot along with a 1/4 cup of water. Put a lid on it, let it simmer over low heat for about 5 minutes. You want the water to absorb and you want those grains to be heated all the way through. The little bit of moisture helps plump up the grains and combat some of that dryness that comes from the storage in the refrigerator. This is a good time to also have a quick chat about rice. I get quite a few people who get a little concerned that I advocate for eating leftover rice. Rice does contain spores that can turn into bacteria when the rice isn't stored properly or cooled properly, and so that's really the key when it comes to rice. To make sure you're handling cooked rice safely, be sure to cool it within an hour. Make sure it's in the refrigerator, cooled down, and that'll help prevent that bacteria from growing. Eat the rice within about 24 hours, and when you do go to eat the rice, make sure it's heated thoroughly before serving. You can also freeze your grains and rice for about a month and reheat in a similar way. It'll just take a little bit longer. Be sure to check back tomorrow for the next video in the Pantry Reset series. Also, if you happen to make a recipe or try a tip, be sure to snap a picture and share it on social media with the hashtag #PantryPower. I want to see what you guys are up to, and I'll be sharing all month long. Thanks for tuning in, and happy cooking!